Hello, my name is Tim and I'm with Carport1 and I'm going to show you today just how easy it is to design your garage with our Visual Builder Pro 3D tool. Click on Design Yours Now and a light box will appear and you'll enter a zip code. We're going to enter a Texas zip code because that's where this building will be installed. The next step is our installation surface. You have a choice of 4 items: ground or dirt, concrete, asphalt, or wood deck. For this garage, we're going to place it on concrete. The next step, we'll choose our building type. You have 3 choices here. You have a carport, a garage, and coming soon you'll be able to build barns online as well. So I'm going to choose garage. And then the next step, I'm going to choose the trim level. You might ask, what's trim level? Well, trim level goes ahead and adds sides and ends to the building, as well as some garage doors and some walk-in doors, so that you don't have to put each piece on the building. So we're going to select mid-range. It helps expedite the process along. We'll choose our dimensions, and I'm going to choose a 22 wide by 26 long by 9-foot tall garage. The next step, you'll choose your certification. In Texas, you have a couple of choices on certification. You can choose a uncertified or non-certified building. If you're getting a building permit, your building would have to be certified for 130 mile-an-hour winds with a 30 pound per square foot snow load. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Then for your framing options, you have 14 gauge and 12 gauge. 14 gauge is the standard, 12 gauge is the heavier upgrade. So we're going to select the 12 gauge framing option. The next step, we will view our building. The builder draws the building out and it populates the building with garage doors and walk-in door and a window. The nice thing about our builder is you can take your mouse and hold the left button down and rotate the building around and look at all sides and ends of the structure. And you'll see these hot spots appear. The roof options: front wall, right wall, and over here on the other side you have left wall. These are where you can make additions or changes to your structure. So we're going to start with the roof option. As you can see, this garage has a A-frame box eaves style roof. Box eave means that the panels are turned horizontally on this A-frame style structure. We're going to go to the roof options and we're going to change that to vertical roof. So you'll notice when I click on the radio button, it will change the orientation of the roof panels on the roof to vertical. And as you can see, this is the way roof panels are installed on most homes. We have 3 roof styles: the regular, the box eave, and the vertical roof. We're going to go with the vertical roof on this particular garage. I'm going to change the roof color to black, and I'm also going to change the trim color to black. There I have my roof configured the way that I want it. And I'm going to go to this right wall. I'm going to change my colors there. So I'm going to click on the hot spot for the right wall. And I do not want a 6x6 garage door here. I can choose to change the dimension of the door, but I want to show you how easy it is to remove that garage door. So I'm going to click remove and close it, and as you can see, the door is gone. So I'm going to come back on the hot spot and I'm going to add a garage door, and I will select a 9x8. I do not want a motor on this particular garage door, and I'm going to add 45-degree cuts to it. So you can see it's placed the garage door in the side of the building. In order to move this door and place it where I want it, you simply click on the door. You can click over to the far right and it will move it a lot. If you click over to the center of it, it will move it just a little. So I'm going to move it all the way over to this end wall, then move it back just slightly. I'm going to click on the right wall hotspot again. I'm going to add another garage door. As you can see, these are my options. Add a garage door, walk-in door, or a window. I'm going to choose another 9x8 without motor, 45-degree cuts. Then I'm going to close that and place the garage door exactly where I want it. And that's about right. I'm going to come back to the right wall again, and between these two garage doors, I want to add a walk-in door. So there where the plus is, you click add the walk-in door, and we have a few options here. We've got a 36 by 80 with no window, a 32 by 72 no window, and we also have the same sizes with a window, so I'm going to choose the 36 by 80 with a window. I'm going to place that where I want it. That looks good. I don't think I'm going to go with the red color. I'm going to change the color. So I clicked on the hotspot again, and I want to go with a Quaker gray. And for my trim, I'm going to go with black. That's how easy it is to add your options to the garage and to change your colors. So we've got this wall configured the way that we want it. I'm going to stay with the window in this end of this front wall. I'm going to click on the hotspot and change my colors. Quaker gray, black. And if I wanted to remove that window, I simply would click on the X and it would remove the window. So that looks really good. For my left wall, click on the hotspot. I don't want to add anything to this wall, so I'm going to just change the colors. Quaker gray. Trim color is black. Going to come to this back wall, and since I have a a walk-in door in the right wall, I don't need another walk-in door, so I'm going to click on the hotspot. I'm going to remove the walk-in door, but I want to add a window. And it takes the window and places it in the end wall. I could move that also if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it in the center. I'm going to change my wall color to Quaker gray. Change the trim color to black. And now I have my garage just exactly the way that I want it. I can rotate the building around and see all sides. So when this building is built, this is the way that it will look. So it's really simple and easy tool to use. You just have to get used to moving the doors around the way that you want. And again, all you need to do is click on the hotspots. If I wanted to change this back to a box eave roof, I could. As you can see, it changed the panel orientation on the roof, going back to the vertical roof. And that's the way that we will have this building built and configured. At this point, you'll be able to get a quote from Carport1. In just a few days, you'll be able to see your price online as well as order this building securely. Thank you for watching this Carport1 video.